What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in the Chevrolet Equinox flip key remote fob. This Chevy Equinox key fob is going to use replacement battery CR2032, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can find these replacement batteries if you're in need. The first thing we want to do is grab our key fob and flip the key blade open. Then I'm going to hold the key fob with the buttons facing down, and we're going to remove this back cover right here. So I'm going to come over to the side where the key blade folds in and get a couple fingers in there like that. Then I'm going to put my thumb down here on the bottom and then just kind of peel that back and get that cover off. Now we see our battery right here. So if I hold the key fob like this while it's open, the blade's pointing down, I'm going to come over to the top of the battery in this orientation and just get my fingernail on the edge of the battery and get it out of that holder. It doesn't take much. If you're unable to use your finger, you can use a small flathead screwdriver or something similar. Now we'll grab our new battery, and you want to make sure that you're installing the new battery with the plus side up, positive side up. And again, if we're holding our key fob like this with the blade pointing down, then I'm going to tuck the bottom of the battery in first like that. Tuck that bottom part in, then push it down into place. And then we can snap that back cover on. And that's it. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.